How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck, he would, as much as he could, and chuck as much wood as a woodchuck would if a woodchuck could chuck wood. Welcome to Claudia Cosmetics. My name is Claudia. In this video, I'm going to do my everyday makeup and I'm going to try a few new products and I'm going to just talk about it. So come hang out with me. Let's get started. First things first, moisturizer. Next, I'm going in with the Kylie eye cream. Apply daily around the delicate eye area. Now I'm going in with my primer. Really makes my makeup last all day. My pores look a lot smaller. They disappear. The smell of it is a little bit manly. However, I like it. Today I'm going in with the Infallible Pro Glow. Pro tip, shake well. Dot onto skin in rolling motion for flawless coverage. So my normal everyday, my favorite foundation, the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. This is so good on your skin, so light. I love the coverage. So today I'm going to be trying out this one. So it has pretty big shoes to fill. I think it's very medium coverage, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit more. You can still see my skin through it, which isn't necessarily bad. Like maybe for an everyday wear, I wouldn't mind it. However, I want to see what this can do. And don't forget your neck. Okay, well, so far so good. Next, we're going to go in with some concealer. This is the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind. Turn color on the micro corrector applicator in the direction of the arrows until product is visible on the sponge. So, pretty much self-explanatory. There we go. We have product. This is actually really my first time using this. I don't seem very impressed with this because I'm not in love with this foundation. If I would have probably used my Estee Lauder foundation with this, I might have like loved it at first. However, this foundation is not making my nipples very hard, so we're just gonna play with it. So let's see. Let's put on some eyebrows. Okay. So now we're going to set the face. I'm going in with two different powders. The first powder I'm going to go in, I'm going to just kind of do this one lightly real quick. Doing the Airspun Loose Face Powder. The reason I'm going to do this one is because I actually already know how this one works. And since I'm trying a new foundation, I kind of want to be sure on what I'm doing. And I want to be sure that this product isn't going to crease on me. So if it does crease on me, I know why. I know that it's either the foundation or the concealer. But I know that it won't be the powder. That's kind of where I crease. And that one is really messy. I don't know why it's so messy. But then I'm going to take this loose powder. Since we did the Maybelline concealer, I'm going to go in with this Maybelline Lightweight Fit Me. This says it's a mineral-based formula, helps control shine and smooth skin's texture, lightweight translucent coverage, fresh natural look. Natural is my favorite look, so I'm excited to see that. Can be used alone or over foundation. Okay. So this is going to be kind of like my setting powder slash fix my foundation, make me hopefully love it. It's very messy. I don't know if you can see this. Look at this. Yikes. Powders are really messy. They're not my favorite. However, it actually does blur everything out really well. So now I'm going to go in with some bronzer. First, I'm going to go in with this Revolution just because it's a little bit darker. So I'm going to go in with this one first. So I like the way this one gives me a little bit of warmth. However, for the rest of my bronzing, I am going to go in with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. This bronzer is a little bit lighter, so I don't use it as my contour kind of. And I kind of go in and I blend this one out. So I kind of dab this once again with my Real Technique 206 brush. Really good. Tap off the excess. With this one, I'll bring it down and blend my jaw. Because I don't want like a big like line of my makeup. It'll like make it look a little more natural. Which I really like the more natural, minimal look. Once again, blending on the side. So now I'm going to take some and I'll blend it on the sides of my nose. To make it look a little bit narrower. Okay. She's had some sun. I've had no sun. And since I did go in with the Fit Me by Maybelline, I am going to try this new Fit Me by Maybelline blush. This is a skin tone enhancing color for natural look, creamy smooth texture for effortless blending. And you want to kind of apply it to the apples of your cheeks. At least that's where I apply mine. Or at least that's where I think my apples are. I don't know. And then you just kind of want to put it where. You can also want to put the blush on top of the bronzer just because it gives it just a more natural like effect. Now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild highlighter. And this highlighter I'm going to use pretty much everywhere. For my eyes, I'm going to keep it very natural. I'm just going to go in with my Morphe palette. I think I'm going to do some of this. And then I go over it with a very clean brush. Keep your brushes very clean, ladies. You're putting them on your face. And I blend just the top part, like of the bone, and leave kind of the color on the lid. With a more narrow brush like this one, I'll go in with that same color, tap, and go under my eye. Now I'm going in with the Lash Paradise. More than 200 bristles hold maximum formula for dramatic volumizing charge to catch every lash. Smooth glide formula. It says 91% saw intense and volumized lashes. 98% lengthening effect. 87% saw more beautiful lashes in a consumer test. So I have actually used this mascara before. I actually sat it right here in front of me. Right off the bat, I noticed that the packaging is different. I've actually tried to film a comparing video of the KKW, and one thing that I didn't like about this mascara was the packaging. This is the previous packaging. It's kind of harder to see. It's kind of harder to read. This one is more matte. It kind of looks more easy on the eye. Well, let's see. Hopefully the formula is the same. And I will know because I actually have used this one before. I am a little messy with my application, but it's okay. I don't really mind. Now I'm going in with some lips. Volume and Lash. Oh, Volume and Lush. Beautiful. How much wood would a chuck? How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? He would chuck as much as he could, and the woodchuck would as a woodchuck would. Huh? Did I lose that?